Hello silly bakers, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new here, my name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So today we are making high protein chocolate veggie muffins. We are sneaking in quite a few veggies into this muffin and you will not taste them. The muffin is a combination of, texture-wise, a combination of a chocolate muffin and a brownie. So they are quite fudgy and chocolatey and really, really delicious. I made these for myself because I love the combination, and I also made them for a friend of mine who is a single mom. She has 2 kids under the age of 7 and they love chocolate. So every time I see her, I like to try to meal prep something for her if I can. And I gave these muffins to her and she messaged me the day after and she said that the kids loved them and they were a hit. So, and she also said it was always a challenge getting fiber into the kids, and this was a great way to do that. So for you parents out there who have that challenge, I highly recommend this recipe. And for anybody who is looking to get more fiber and veggies into their life, I really highly recommend you make this recipe. I love them and I'm going to make these again and again. Before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make these really delicious high protein chocolate veggie muffins. You want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to line a muffin tin, 12 cavity muffin tin, with silicone liners or paper liners. Next, we will need our blender, and we are going to start with adding our wet ingredients. This is 2 large eggs, room temperature. You could also use flax eggs here. This is 3/4 cup of milk. I'm using soy milk. You can use any milk you like. 1/3 cup of maple syrup. You can use any sweetener you like. 1/2 cup of applesauce. You could also use 1/2 cup of mashed banana. 1/3 cup of nut butter. Any nut or seed butter will work. 1 teaspoon of good quality vanilla. This is Sassy Kathy's vanilla. I'm adding 1/2 of an avocado. I'm adding 4 servings of collagen powder. You can omit this if you like. 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I'm adding 1/2 of a medium zucchini and a good handful of spinach. And we are going to blend this on high until it is smooth. And after about a minute of blending, this is what it looks like. We're going to add our dry ingredients. We're adding 3/4 cup of rolled oats, 1/2 cup of almond flour, and 1/4 cup of flax, and 2/3 cup of cocoa powder. And we are going to blend that. I add about 2 teaspoons of flour to my chocolate chips just to help prevent them from sinking. I'm going to transfer the batter to a bowl. I just find it easier to work with. And then I'm going to add my chocolate chips along with the almond flour and just fold those through. If you would like to add protein powder instead of collagen powder, you need to reduce your dry ingredients by 1/4 cup and then add 1/4 cup of protein powder. And now we're going to scoop the mixture into our liners. You want to go 3/4 of the way up your liners. And this batter will make 12 muffins, regular size muffins. And just before we bake, I'm going to add just a few more mini chocolate chips on top. This is optional. We're going to bake at 350 for, I would say, about 25 minutes or so until a toothpick comes out clean. And they smell delicious. Enjoy our high protein chocolate Veggie Muffins. Each muffin contains 11 grams of protein, 5 grams of fiber. They are chocolatey, they are fudgy, and they are absolutely delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try these high-protein chocolate veggie muffins, let me know in the comments below. Also, the ingredients and measurements will be in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.